Hi everybody, my name is Mike. This is Oliver. So I'm going to start Oliver's Go Home videos today. It's Thursday. I'll make them today and tomorrow, post them, and then email you a link, touch base with you before the delivery. These videos are so that you can see where Oliver is at in his training, how he was trained, how he got there, and how you can move him forward. I'm going to show you a couple commands here in the garage. Then I need to reset so I can show you his place and his kennel command. Right now we're going to do sit, down, recall, and leash skills. So all this I'm going to go over at your house when I drop off Oliver. I'm going to explain it, I'm going to demonstrate it just like I am now. Then I'm going to hand the reins to you, give you practice, answer your questions, dial you in, and go from there. So I like, if I can, to have a dog sit and focus on me prior to wrestling the collar on him. So I'll ask, or he'll do it. Good. A mark and reward. That most important thing Oliver has learned with his training is the mark and reward system. So my use of mark and reward are good. You're going to hear that like a broken record player every time he does what I want. He knows the mark and reward system. He understands that mark and reward means he's going to get a reward. So because of this, it's easy to strengthen any behavior he has that you want to encourage or learn him new behaviors. I'll go ahead and demonstrate a few of his commands here. A couple things you're going to focus on when you're learning. You want a tone of voice is important. Body language, hand signals are important. Leash skills are important. I'll have all owners, new owners start with a leash, just in case they need to employ a little leash pressure, which Oliver does respond to. And if he needs it, I'll show you that. So he's going to offer me a sit. I'm going to tell him that's good. And reward. So that's the mark and reward. Hopefully he's going to like today's treats. Eat that up, boy. Eat that up, boy. Good boy. Okay, so this is exactly where we're going to start at your place. We're going to have him in a leash. You're going to have some treats. You're going to have to get some value built into yourself so that he understands the same things apply to you as they did to me. I'll have you start close like this with the recall. The tone of voice is a command tone. The hand signal is to bend down and tap my leg. I'm also going to go backward in order to encourage him to follow. So it'll look like this. Oliver, come. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Crunchy treats today I would recommend when practicing at home. You get some nice chewy treats. Anything that Oliver likes though will work. You just may need to adjust your training speed. Next command that's important is his leash skill. So I've got the leash in my right hand because I teach the loose leash walk to my left hand side. So I'm going to use my left hand to hold some treats. And then the hand signal is to bend down and tap my leg. I'll use a command tone of voice. Let's go. Good. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go, boy. So Oliver has been taught a loose leash walk. I use turnarounds on him when he's getting charged too far ahead. So when we get to your house and practice, he's going to be accustomed to hearing easy when he starts to charge ahead, followed by a turnaround, changing my direction so that he's getting the correction. So by the time you get to your place, you should be able to just tell him easy as you're walking along, and he will stop pulling or stop acting the way he is. If you want him tight to your side, then it's going to take a lot of encouragement at the beginning, like any other skill though. When he's an adult dog, and if you've been encouraging him to walk, let's go, to your side the whole time through your neighborhood, then that's going to be his habit. So that's leash skills, recall, those are two important ones. Sitting down, those are next. Sit has a hand signal, put your elbow to your side, think about your elbow pinned to your side, and your hand going up like this, like you're picking his nose up to the sky, and in effect putting his butt down. It looks like this. I'll give him a chance to actually obey this. Let's go, boy. Good. Sit. Good. Good boy. Timing is important with the mark and reward system. You need to mark the behavior you want as soon as it happens. If it's a sit, then the second his butt hits, even if it takes you a couple seconds to dig him a treat. I'll show you that one more time. Oliver, sit. Good. Okay, pup. Come. Good. Oliver, sit. Good. Good bud. We'll make it a couple times so that you get different views. So the down command, that has a hand signal as well. This is one, if I'm likely to have to use leash pressure, and you're likely to have to use it, this is one that you're likely to have to use it on. I'm going to get his attention and help him out by having him start and sit. Okay. Oliver, sit. Good. Down. No. I'll negative marker that, so that's another part of the marker system. Down. And I will get back here so you can get a little better view here. I'll give him one more chance. Oliver, sit. Down. So I'm going to negative marker that. Good. But he's going to beat me to it and actually down. So if I was looking for really fast responses, then I could use leash pressure, but for a pet dog, if it takes him a second to get there, I'm okay. Oliver, sit. Down. No. Good. Good boy. So you see a negative marker there was enough. I didn't need to use leash pressure. And I will show you that one more time. Oliver, let's go. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Oliver, come. Good. Good boy. Make sure we're lined up here. One thing is if you're going to use a leash, you don't want to pump yourself. You want to make sure you can at least reach it. Otherwise, you may find you wishing that you could. Meanwhile, your dog's not listening. You got a free treat there, so that's good for him. And he's going to make me work a little harder. I'll spin him around here. We'll do the down. Let's go, boy. Good. Good boy. Let's go. Good. Oliver, sit. Down. No. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Get your treats, boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. He wants me to rub his belly, and you can. Likely to turn him into a rollover. Good boy. So, personal preference. It's all good. So I have to reset, and we'll show you the last few commands he has is stay, place, and in. I think are the last three that I have to show you. I'm going to let him take a break so that he can digest some of what he's just learned here, and then we'll do part two later today. Good boy, get this ball, get that ball. Good boy. Great way to end a session, a little play. Also, once again, the more you do a behavior, the stronger it gets. Good boy. You'll find this one super duper handy. Get that ball, boy. I'll let him dig that out from under there. We'll post this and talk to everyone soon. Hi everybody. Here's Oliver. Gonna finish Oliver's Go Home videos up right now. 3 commands left. His in command, place, and stay. I'll do his in command first. And I use in because you can also use it to put him into anything, a room, a car, crate, kennel. First thing I'm going to do is remove the padding so that he can hear these treats. This is how we teach the dogs in. This is a crate game, a great game that I would recommend that you play prior to Oliver spending a long time in his crate. It's going to help him have some positive associations with the crate. It's really easy. I've got some treats. They're semi-hard so that they'll make a noise when they hit. It can be fast paced and fun. We'll get started here. Oliver, in. Good. Okay, boy, come. Good. Good boy. Oliver, in. Good. Good boy. Oliver, come. Good. Good boy. Oliver, in. Good. Good boy. Oliver, in. Good. Good boy. Okay, Oliver, come. Good. Oliver, in. Good. Oliver, come. Good. Good boy. So you can see, especially if we had some more room, you could employ more than one crate. We could play multiple crates. Anything with movement and treats is going to be exciting, even though it may seem like not a lot of fun for us, for them. Just going in and out of the crate a number of times. So he's ready to do it on his own. The other two commands, get this going real quick. Just trying to think of the best order to show them. And we'll start with place. So this is a training collar that I just tied a knot in. And that way I can get some training and patience as well. I would recommend using a training collar because not only can it make using leash pressure more effective and corrections more effective, it also is going to put your pup in the training frame of mind. Good boy, put it in. Oliver, come. Oliver, sit. Good. Good boy. Good pup. Eat your treats. I'm not above treating them for letting me put the collar on them. Place is an easy one. You can use anything. I'm going to use this caramba bed. If you have a different place in your house, I can show you how to re-customize into that one when I do the drop off. It's real easy. I got some treats. I'm going to lure him on here in place and command him. Oliver. Oliver's, he's a step ahead of us here. Let's go, boy. Good. Good boy. Oliver, place. Good. Good boy. He's ready to demonstrate stay over here because it's part of his routine. This is a great command. You can use it if you need to get him out from underfoot. The more you use it, the stronger his no place. Good. The stronger his behavior, of course, will get. I'm going to wait for him to relax on here, and then I'm going to release him with his release command, and then reward at that point. The best thing I think about this behavior is using it as a replacement behavior, so that if he does develop a bad habit, anything counter surfing, jumping on your guests, jumping on you when you come home from work, no place. Good. Then this is a great thing just to tell him to do rather than what he's doing that's annoying you. Okay, boy, come. Good. Good boy. And Oliver works with the mark and reward system, also leash pressure. He's not always going to need this stuff, the commands that you pick to carry on with. You'll develop a routine with him, and he'll understand what's expected. However, I would, and I still do myself, always use as many treats as you can, because why else would I do what you ask me unless I benefit? So, and it's the same for dogs. I guess the last one he's already trying to show us here is his stay. He has a sit stay and a down stay. His sit stay is the strongest. The stay in the most strictest sense means hold your position, so I'm going to start him in the down since I know that's his strongest position. Oh, move him. Let's go, boy. Good. Good boy. Let's go. Good boy. Oliver, sit. Good. Down. No. Good. Good boy. Stay. Stay has a hand signal. I hope I'm not far enough away that you can see me. Stay has a hand signal, like a policeman. It's nice to have a reason to have your dog staying, rather than just to stay. Just to prove you're the boss, although obedience is important in a well-behaved dog. You don't want an unruly dog, you want somebody obedient. But it is a little boring just staring at each other here. So oftentimes I will try to act like I'm pre-involved. Now, I can really push this and make him break this stay, which then falls back on me is no, down. So I'm glad he's gonna let me demonstrate leash pressure. No, he's not. Perfect, good. I'll mark that, stay. And okay, so that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna work his stay enough so that he actually broke it, so that I actually had to return him. And that's how you do it. That's all you do. You return him back to where he started, approximately as close as you can get him, and then start again. Just like other commands, if this is one you're going to use, say you're at the supermarket and you want him to stay because you're shopping or there's a lot of different reasons I think that probably are out there to use the stay. Definitely, if you can find one, practice it, it'll become routine. Okay, boy, come. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Get your treat. So I have a jackpot here and give him a lot of treats. Good boy. A lot of praise. Good pup. Good boy. He did really great with all this. I'm gonna put these two videos together and post them, send you a link. I'm sure you'll get a chance to watch this before Monday, so if you do, in the meantime, it's best probably just write your questions down and I'll make sure we get them all answered on Monday. Till then, we'll post this and talk to you soon.